Yes. Right now we are going to start the program. The program is totally based on the International Yoga Day. You know, every year we celebrate International Yoga Day. And like that way, India is also celebrating, starting from the New Delhi, our capital, and also the state government, Tripura. All are celebrating. The other NSS unit of Northeast India, the other states, the other NSS unit of our Tripura, different schools, different colleges, they are also celebrating. We are also celebrating this Yoga Day because you know, for the COVID-19, we are locked in our room, but we have to do something for this. And last couple of months, you have done a lot different programs on awareness that you have made mask, you have distributed mask, you have distributed sanitizer, etc., etc. You have shared your photo also in the WhatsApp group, and for this really I am thankful to you all. And coming only 1 month, because your session will be closed in mid of July, last of July maybe, as per the decision. So coming 1 month, you have to work rigorously for the people of Tripura, because you know most of the people are not aware about the COVID-19. And if you are not, first of all, if you are not aware, if your locality or the members of your society are not aware, then you have to face problem. So I know you are very responsible and accountable volunteers of our Tripura University, and in the past you have given so many proof that yes, you can do. And our adaptive few our volunteers also have been working in our adapted villages also. So today just we are celebrating this program, International Yoga Day. So first of all, why this Yoga Day be very important, and why we are celebrating this through online. This is Google Meet, because you know immunity power is important if we want to combat or if we want to fight against COVID-19. So first of all, food is important, that what type of kinds of food we will take to fight against COVID-19, and side by side, what type of physical exercise is required to fight against COVID-19. So this is a very important program. And last night just I requested you all, the volunteers, please help. We want to celebrate this program. And then and there, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, they have come forward and just committed the, yes sir, will give a presentation along with demonstration. So I'm not talking more, just I will request the Department of ECE, please you start your demonstration along with the presentation. And after their presentation and demonstration, if anybody wants to give or want to give demonstration, please then and there you just raise your hand. Okay. So thank you, Department of, I am requesting Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, please you start your program.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today, this occasion of International Yoga Day, we are going to present our yoga with demonstration. And the theme of this year is Yoga for Health and Yoga at Health. Home. So next slide, please. Okay, next. Benefits of yoga. Every one of us know that it reduces our anxiety, strengthen our muscles, improve digestion, increase blood flow, and energize our body. Then next. This is the first yoga, Surya Namaskar. Then Vajrasana, which will be presented by Amar Shankar Chaudhary. Then Ardha Kurmashana, which will be presented by Shuman Devnath. Then Padmashana, which will be presented by Khushbu Deburma. Bhujangasana presented by Tanya Vishwas. Naukasana presented by Sanjukta Bhumi. Pavan Muktasana presented by Pooja Das. And Vrikshasana presented by Sujata Das. Now we will demonstrate one by one. Step 1. Then step 2. Step 3. Stretch your hand to backward. Step 4. Come forward. Step 5. Then step 6. Step 7. Step 9. Again. In the first position. Okay, I have finished my one.
Good one. Good. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Suman Devnath will present.
Am I visible to all?
Yes.
Yes.
Good morning, sir, and good morning to all my friends. On behalf of Tripura University NSS unit, I am Suman Devnath, and I am today going to give my demonstration on the yoga asana named Ardha Kurmasana. So before I'm going to start, I want to wish you all a happy Yoga Day, and it's the 6th International Yoga Day that is celebrated in our country today. And yoga has an immense importance in our daily life, and it should be practiced on a regular basis, not only to make our health better, but also for rejuvenating our mind and relieve stress. So in order to relieve stress, this position, which I am going to explain or demonstrate, will help a lot to the people. So I'm ready for the demonstration. So first, am I audible? Hello?
Yes. Audible.
Yes.
Audible.
Yes.
Please, all others, stop your microphone and video so that only I can share.
Yeah.
So starting from the basic, first we have to do the Savasana. So and slowly rising up from the Savasana, we have to take the position of Vajrasana. My friend Amar Shankar has already explained how the Vajrasana should have to be performed. So we have to be in the Vajrasana position, and then we have to do it slowly. So take slow breath and do it slowly. Yoga is not a hurry, we cannot do it in a hurried way. We have to do it slowly and in a gradual manner. So raise your hand like this and then raise your hand against your ear to the up, and cross your thumb finger like this. Cross your thumb finger like this. Now in this position, you have to slowly move forward your hands in like this way. While doing this, you have to keep in mind that your chest is pressing with your thighs. So you have to press your chest to the thighs. And also keep your spine from the fingertip to the tailbone straight and move and push it forward. Now slowly push backward and raise your arms as you down them before, like this.
Thank you very much.
Now next asana will presented by Pooja Dash. Pavan Mukta.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. On behalf of International Yoga Day, Tripura University NSS Unit Cell Volunteer, I am going to demonstrate the Pavana Mukta Asana, which helps in strengthen the muscle. It helps in blood, spine nerves, and some things. Now I am going to demonstrate. First of all, lie down on the floor. It's just like Savasana. Then join your legs and bend your legs into your chest like this, and join your hands in your legs. Then do it for some time.
In between, our Dean Student Welfare, Professor Sobhosachi Dasgupta already joined, and he is also watching your demonstration. He is a very positive person, because just 5 minutes ago I informed him that our NSS volunteers have organized this International Yoga Day, and they are celebrating, and then and there he has joined. Thank you, Sobhosachi, Dean Students Welfare, Tripura University. So I would like to request our Dean Students Welfare, please, you say something for this auspicious day that our NSS volunteers are celebrating International Yoga Day through webinar, and it is their credit, because last night just they have organized and requested me, sir, we want to organize such type of program through online Google Meet. So I am really inspired by them. I am really motivated by them, because our all volunteers are very positive. And last couple of months they are doing, I think, they are doing very good, because they are making masks, they are distributing masks among the people. They are distributing different types of sanitizer among the people, mainly the poor, and they are trying to save our society. They are trying to save our Tripura. So please, you speak something and give message to our volunteers.
It's really a pleasure to be a part of it, though it's came at the last stand. For me, I couldn't be a part of this, but definitely they are. I can see about 40, 45 students there. They're all our students.
Yes, they
all
are volunteers.
Okay, so that's very nice. And when you are organizing something like this, is also very good if you can pull, other than the volunteers also. That's not a bad idea. So and the message goes in a bigger way. It's pretty good that these students took the initiative to start it and begin the program as such. Without taking much help from the faculties and all that shows our strength of planning something in future. And I'm also very happy that they have been doing all those extension activities for quite a few long time. And it's also very nice if we get this updates with us, because many a times we have been sending the reports to the ministry and all, and I don't think we really got those their activity informations as of now with us. And I really congratulate all of them to be a part of it and take the initiatives. It's a very good message, a very positive vibes to all the stakeholders of our university fraternity, and I really look forward for such kind of thing in future, and really good for kind of initiatives for all of you. And with this, it's also the credit goes to you being a leader of this entire unit. I'm sure you'll also make more and more publicity to this kind of activities in future. Happy Yoga Day to all of you, and I hope it comes to a regular practice for all of us, our students. Thank you.
Thank you, our Dean Students Welfare, Professor Sapasari Dasgupta. And definitely all credit goes to our volunteers, because they are more sincere, they are more responsible. Not only responsible, they are more accountable also. Again, I will send you the recording, whole recording to you after a few minutes for your ready reference, that what you have done, etc. etc. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you very much on behalf of Tripura University NSS unit, and as a program officer of NSS unit Tripura University, I really grateful to you all. So thank you.